Running out of space in your vehicle can be frustrating when you're trying to travel with a lot of luggage. The good news is that your roof can give you that extra space you need. In this video, we'll show you simple and safe ways to secure your items, along with the best tips to keep everything stable during your trip. Choosing a storage option. Loop straps through your vehicle doors for a cheap but less secure alternative. Pass ratchet straps or rope through the doors, loop them over the luggage 2 to 3 times in both directions, and tighten securely. Use a towel or blanket underneath to protect your car. Ratchet straps are safest, while bungee cords are not recommended. Raise your luggage off the roof with a rack or basket. Roof racks and baskets help prevent scratches and dents by keeping luggage off your vehicle's roof. Choose a rack that fits your vehicle and secure your items with ratchet straps for added safety. While racks provide better support, your luggage remains exposed to weather and theft, so consider using a cargo net to help keep everything in place. Choose a cargo bag to keep your luggage dry. Cargo bags have a weather-resistant shell that protects your belongings from rain and other elements. They can be attached directly to your vehicle or secured to a roof rack. Many cargo bags include locks for added security, though items may still shift during travel unless secured with internal straps. Pick a hard-shell cargo box for the most secure protection. Cargo boxes provide the best security and weather protection, with a lockable design that keeps your belongings safe and out of sight. Most models require a roof rack or crossbars for installation. While they offer excellent protection, cargo boxes are the most expensive option and add significant weight to your roof. Loading your luggage. Check your vehicle's load weight limit so you don't exceed it. Find the load limit in your owner's manual or online before loading your roof. Exceeding the limit can affect your vehicle's balance, handling, and safety. Many vehicles have a roof load limit of around 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, but this varies by model. Layer heavier luggage on top of lighter items to keep them in place. Place lighter items on the bottom and heavier bags on top to help prevent items from shifting or blowing away while driving. Distribute the weight evenly across the roof, and always start with lighter luggage, even if heavier suitcases are more durable. Distribute the weight evenly across your roof. Spreading luggage evenly helps maintain your vehicle's balance and handling. Avoid placing all heavy items on one side, and if you have only one large bag, position it in the center of the roof for the best stability. Lie your luggage on its side for better aerodynamics. Lay luggage as flat as possible to reduce wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency. If stacking items, place bulkier luggage toward the rear of the roof. Avoid letting anything extend over the sides of your vehicle, as this is illegal in many areas and can be unsafe. Give the load a strong shake before you leave to check that it's secure. Push or shake the luggage to make sure nothing moves. If anything shifts, tighten straps or reposition items. Ensure all straps are firm and taut, since loose loads will move even more at highway speeds. And driving with your luggage. Drive slower and take turns carefully when carrying extra weight, especially on the roof, since it can affect control and balance. Slow down even more on rough roads to prevent items from shifting or falling. Falling cargo can be illegal and may result in fines or other penalties. A fully loaded vehicle takes longer to stop due to extra weight, so keep a larger distance from the car ahead. Avoid sudden braking to prevent items from shifting or falling, and stay alert so you can slow down early when needed. Stop every 15 to 30 minutes to check that your luggage is still secure. Pull over safely, inspect straps and ties, and make sure nothing is shifted. If anything is loose, tighten it before continuing. Plan extra travel time so you can do these checks regularly. Thanks for watching!